Welcome to the Storyteller's Path. Let's learn English together.
Excuse me, Miss Sarah.
Hi, Rahul. Come in.
Good morning. Do you have a moment to speak?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Please take a seat. What's on your mind?
Thank you. Actually, I wanted to talk to you about the monthly sales report.
Sure. The one due this Friday, right?
Yes, exactly. To be honest, I am feeling a little worry about it.
I understand. Just a small tip. You can say, I'm worried about it.
Yes. Sorry, I am worried about it.
No need to apologize. Tell me, what is the problem exactly?
Well, the data for the last week is very heavy. I mean, there is too much information. I am trying to organize it, but it takes a long time.
I see. It is a large file this month. Are you having technical issues with the software or is it just the volume of work?
It is mostly the software. I am not very expert with the new update.
That's understandable. The new update is a bit tricky. Have you asked anyone for help yet?
No, not yet. I didn't want to disturb anyone. Everyone looks very busy.
Rahul, remember, asking for help isn't disturbing people. It's part of teamwork. But go on, tell me more about the report status.
Okay, I finished the first part, but I didn't completed the charts yet.
Careful there. You can say, I haven't completed the charts yet, or I didn't complete the charts.
Oh, right, past tense. I didn't complete the charts. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, without the charts, the report isn't ready for the client presentation.
Yes, that is my fear. I don't think I can finish by Friday morning. I am trying my best, but I am afraid to make a mistake.
I appreciate your honesty. It is better to tell me now than on Friday morning. How much more time do you think you need?
If possible, could I submit it on Monday morning? I can work on the weekend if needed.
I don't want you working all weekend. Let's look at the schedule. The client meeting is on Tuesday, so if you submit it by Monday at 10 a.m., that works for me.
Really? Oh, thank you. That is a big relief.
However, I want to make sure you are comfortable with the software.
Yes, actually, there is one specific thing. I don't know how to make the numbers turn into a graph automatically.
Ah, you mean generating the charts.
Yes, generating the charts.
Okay, do you have your laptop with you?
No, it is at my desk. Should I bring it?
No, that's okay. I can show you on my screen quickly. Look here. You just highlight the data, click Insert, and then choose Recommended Charts.
Oh, that looks much easier. I was doing it by hand? No, manual?
You were doing it manually?
Yes, manually. That is why it was so slow.
Well, that explains it. Doing it manually would take forever.
Sorry, Miss Sarah. I should have asked you earlier.
Don't worry about it. We are all learning. But next time, if you are stuck for more than 30 minutes, please just ask. It saves time.
I will, I promise.
Is there anything else about the project that is unclear?
Yes, one small thing. Sorry, can you please repeat the deadline? You said Monday morning?
Yes, Monday at 10 a.m. sharp.
Got it. Monday, 10 a.m. And for the summary page, do you want it long or short?
Keep it brief, just bullet points.
Sorry, what does brief mean?
Oh, brief means short and simple, not too many words.
Understood. Short and simple.
Exactly. Rahul, you are doing a good job. Your English is getting better and your work is very detailed. Just be more confident, okay?
Thank you, Miss Sarah. I feel much better now.
Good. Is there anything else?
No, that is all. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Let me know if you get stuck again.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.